Hi. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some red, maroon and white color cardstock, quilling tool, half cut pearl, paper cutter, liquid glue, some sap green, dark green, white, red, peach and yellow color 3 mm quilling strips and scissor. First I am taking this red color cardstock which measures 26 cm by 13 cm and I am marking this on 6.5 cm from left side and on 6.5 cm on right side. Now I am making the crease line on these points like this. Fold these crease lines from both the sides. So the base card is ready. Now I am taking one more peach color cardstock which measures 15 cm by 9 cm and I am marking this on 1 cm on left side and 1 cm on right side and again making the crease on both the sides. Fold this crease . Now I am marking this on 4.5 cm and making a line and rotate this and mark it on 6.5 cm and again mark it. So we will get a center. Now in center I am making one heart. So I have already created one heart template which is approx 6 by 6 cm paper on which I have created the heart. So I have created this heart on the peach cardstock and now I am cutting this heart using the scissor. Like this. Now take again your base card and I am marking this on 2 cm and on 11 cm. Similarly I will do with top side. So we'll add our heart card in the center of these 2 points. Now I have created this small painting on 8 by 8 cm paper. You can add any photo of the same size. Now I am adding this photo in the center and making one outline. Adjust this photo inside this heart shape. So I am pasting this photo in the center of the card. And now we can add our heart template on this. So first add glue from top and then we'll add from bottom. Like this. Now I am taking one more red color cardstock which measures 10.5 cm by 9 cm and I am marking this on 1 cm from one side. make a line on this 1 centimeter point. Now insert this cardstock inside this heart and align this 1 centimeter line with heart points like this. Trace the left side heart on this. Now make a line on upper part like this, and we will cut this shape using our scissor. Like this. In the same way, I will create the right side. So I have created the right side by adding 1 centimeter line aligned with this heart and created the heart shape, and created this line this time in bottom part. Now I will cut this heart from this paper. So it should look like this. Now while inserting this left side, this red part is coming out. So I am just trimming little bit this from top. Now I will lock these both parts and insert again behind the heart. So it will work like this. Now again adjust these two parts and create outline on both the sides. Now we will make crease on this line. Similarly, I will do with other part. Now I am inserting this part and adding glue on this folded part. Like this. Close this right flap. So it's done. Now I am inserting the left flap. Just lock this with right flap. Add glue. And paste the left side. Now I am adding some decorative punched border to decorate this card from inside. So it's on you how you want to decorate the card. You can add pattern papers or punched flowers, punched heart, or draw anything using glitter pins. So it's up to you. So it's done. So the card is ready. Now I'm taking this peach color cardstock which measures 30 cm by 3 cm, and I'm making the belt of the card so that we can close the card using this belt. So I'm folding from both the sides and connecting with glue. Like this. So now we can tie the belt to the card. Now I am adding one red color strip on top of this belt. So just add glue and connect the strip. Also I am adding some pattern paper on top of the greeting card. Like this. To decorate this belt, I am making some flowers. For this I am taking one strip of yellow, making one loose coil, and then make one teardrop shape and just bend it little bit. Similarly I have created one more petal, and now I am taking 1/4 strip of maroon color and making one leaf shape. Like this. Now I will connect all three shapes with each other to construct the petal shape. Like this. Now wrap this whole petal with maroon color strip. Cut excess strip and secure the end. So petal is ready. Now I am taking some distressing and distressing this petal. You can skip this step if you don't want to add distressing. Similarly, I have created 5 more petals. Now I am assembling the flower by adding petals with each other. And for the center of the flower I am using half cut pearl. So flower is ready. Now I will show you how to make the second flower. For this I am taking half strip of peach color and 1/4 strip of white color and making one teardrop shape. Like this. Similarly I have created 5 more teardrops. So now I am adding all the shapes with each other to construct the flower shape. Again I am adding half cut pearl in the center of the flower. So flower is ready. Now I will show you how to make this leaf shape. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of sap green color and 1/6 strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. Now take a strip of dark green color and add total 5 leaf shapes around this strip. My one strip length is 45 cm. So leaf is ready. Similarly I have created 4 more leaves. And also I have created some scrolls using sap green and dark green color. If you want to learn these scrolls, I have given the link in description box. You can check there. Now I will assemble all the quilling patterns on this belt. I am making this flower 3D by pushing this on my palm. So I have added all the patterns on this belt. Now I am adding this with love sentiment. I have added some double-sided foam tape on back side of this. So just add sentiment in the right top corner and then you can attach the quilled belt on this. So the card is ready. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.